Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. This couldn't wait. I've been watching the dollar all day, all morning today, and this couldn't wait till later. The DXY is absolutely exploding to the upside, and it does look like, as of right now, it's forecasting that we're looking into a complete shitstorm today. I don't know. The dollar is a really good forecasting tool that I use for direction of the market, and we just broke highs right now, right? You broke highs in the last hour or two on the dollar, and it looks like it's not going to stop until we go to that 112 target that I had for within like 2 more weeks, right? It looks disgusting right now. And if I had to take a guess of what's going to happen, I think that the Fed rate, like I said in my previous video, I think we are locked in at a 75 basis point rate hike. I actually think that there's a chance that we might have that 100 basis point hike. The dollar is just it has exploded in the last I don't know, like maybe 16 hours or so, and it just keeps going. And you actually have the SPY and you have the NASDAQ doing absolutely nothing right now. They are not tanking. They are not doing anything. It is absolutely pinned in the middle. I have shorts up the butt, and I'm not gonna lie, I am gonna be adding more shorts right now. All of my positions are, dare I say, ridiculously leveraged. I think I have more than $1 million short right now, all of my positions combined. And again, this is leverage. My actual account is 79K, right? Leveraged, my full open position is about $1 million or more. This is insane. It just keeps going. And if we're not taking this as a signal, if we're not taking this as an actual, trajectory of what the direction of an early indication of where the market is telling us it's going to go, I don't know what to tell you guys. I have a bunch of puts on SPY right now for 360. I also have a lot of puts on Jack in the Box that actually closed it closed the bear day yesterday. So on Jack in the Box, I actually have this. I'm looking for this to tank back to like 74, 75. If we do go back to SPY 360 or something, I am looking for this to tank back to possibly in the 50s, right? I want Jack in the Box to go back here, within the next, week or two or something. Ideally, that's what I would want. Anyways, dollar is moving up substantially, and if we're not taking that as an early indication, I don't know what else to tell you guys. I'll see you later. Bye-bye.